Now open the file Excel C1 from the location where you store your data files. And now save it as Excel C QST advertising expenses. So Excel C QST advertising expenses. This worksheet is difficult to interpret because all of the information is crowded and it looks the same. In some columns, the contents appear cut off because there's too much data to fit given the current column width. Like for example here. You decide not to widen the columns yet because the other changes you plan to make might affect the column width and row height. The first thing you want to do is format the data showing the cost of each ad. So now select the range D4 to D32. Then click Accounting Number Format button in the Number group on the Home tab. The default accounting number format adds $sign and 2 decimal places to the data as shown. Excel automatically resizes the column to display the new formatting. The accounting and currency number formats are both used for monetary values, but the accounting format aligns currency symbols and decimal points of numbers in a column. Now select range F4 to H32. Then click Comma Style button in the Number group. The values in the column F, G, and H display the comma style format, which does not include a $sign, but can be useful for some types of accounting data. Now select range J4 to J32. Then click the Number Format List arrow, click percentage, and then click Increase Decimal button in the Number group. Then click percentage, and then the Increase Decimal button in the Number group. The data in the percentages of total column is now formatted with a percent and 3 decimal places. The Number Format List arrow lets you choose from a popular number of formats, and shows an example of what the selected cell and cells would look like in each format. Each time you click the increase decimal button, you add one decimal place. Clicking the button twice, you add 2 decimal places. Now click the decrease decimal button in the number group twice. 2 decimal places are removed from the percentages values in the column J. Now select the range B4 to B31 and then click the dialog box launcher in the number group. The Format Cells dialog opens with the date category already selected in the number of tabs. Select the first 14 March 12 format in the type list box as shown, and then click OK. The dates in column B appear in this format. The second format in the list, visible if you scroll down the list, displays all the days in 2 digits. It adds a leading 0 of the days is only a single digit number, while the one you can choose displays single digit days with a leading 0. Select now the range C4 to C31. Then click Range on the right click, and then click Format Cells on the shortcut menu. Then click 14 March type in the type list box in the Format Cells dialog, and then click OK. Now press Ctrl Home and then save your work.